Hey guys, this is Vic from DNB Mobile Auto. We've come to customers' house at Pakutlam to detail their Tesla. So this is out of their Parkade in their apartment building, and wanted to take a before video, and then we'll also take an after video. Customer basically wants us to do a full interior detail, exterior wash, clay bar, ozone for odor, wax, polish, buff, basically the whole works. So we're going to be starting out. This is the before video, and we'll take videos along as we're doing things. So we're going to be starting off with a pressure wash so that we can get the car cleaned, and we can start with the exteriors too. So give us a call. We'll be happy to come to your condo complex and clean your cars for you, while you can relax in your house on top, spend time with your family on a Sunday. Number is 604-518-6684. Hey guys, it's Vic from DNB Mobile Auto Detailing. So we've just finished the Tesla, and we wanted to take an after video. We have basically done the entire package, which is the interior detail, exterior wash, buff, clay bar, undercarriage wash, cleaning the rims, and we've done it out of our Parkade in Pakutlam. We'd be happy to come and do this for you too, while you can be with your family. But here's the after video. Wax and buff the entire car. We actually just running ozone on the cover, get rid of some odors which are there. Do give us a call, 604-518-6684. We'll be happy to come and clean your cars for you, out of your driveway, in your Parkade, out of your work location, whatever is convenient to you. We have 5-star ratings on Google, and we'll be happy to come and help you. 604-518-6684. Please give us a call. Thank you.